2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. I used to have one of these cars too. It was white though. I think mine was a 2004. But anyways, it's got 4 catalytic converter on it, factory, which are like overkill in my opinion. But you know, that's how they come. Then it's got a factory H pipe. Then what we did, muffler delete on both sides. So basically it's true dual straight pipe with an H. And then it's got the dreaded tailpipes that take all the sound away with all these bends. And it's got 2 resonators, one here and one here. There's the other tailpipe. And there's where we deleted the 2 mufflers, there and there. There's the original mufflers that came on. They look like, I don't know, barbecue grills, kind of. But that's what they are. What do you guys think? Tell us what you think in the comments. How you like the sound of it and the look of it. I think it looks phenomenal. I hope you guys do too. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Again? Sound decibels again? Around 94, not too bad. You'll hear it more when you get on it, you know? Sitting still is not that loud. It's not bad though. For a Grand Marquis, dude, you can't beat it.
Yeah.
But it's also got 2 mufflers in the back. They're called resonators. They take some of the sound away too. So that's the next thing. If you want them cut off, that's the next thing you need to cut off. If you want them louder. What you guys hear on the inside? Grand Marquis. What do you guys think? Let us know. Not bad for a muffler delete.